Alright guys, so this is the Crown Traders where we break down um trading in the financial markets in principled simplicity and brings about profits and impact in your trading career and your social life as a whole. Okay, so now today is 7th of April, and I want to just do a quick breakdown of NASDAQ. Yeah, a lot of persons woke up today and all manner of things in the news. He's saying that today is Black Monday, stock market losing some certain amount of money, cryptocurrency is also having liquidations here and there. But whereas the market had already told the story before time that this was going to happen. To explain that further and to give you a breakdown of what's happening in the United States stock market or indices, I like to take NAS 100 as a case study. So as you can see from structures on a weekly time frame, you will note that price has been on a bullish spree. Okay, that's the major wave. And price does this higher high, higher low, for it goes to the upper side like that for a bullish swing. So basically, price has not corrected to a discount level in what's it called it, NAS 100, and that has to happen. That does not happen, there will be voids in the market, and the market does not like voids. These voids has to be filled. These voids has to be filled. Okay, so as much as possible, voids must be filled up in the financial market. So right now, the void that was created here is trying to be filled up by NASDAQ. Okay, so once this has been noted, we've taken note of our structure. What we'll need to do is to consider daily time frame. Okay, now I'm going to go to my daily time frame. Before that, I just want to take out my trend line tool and draw my trend line. Okay, so drawing my trend line. So as you can see, this is my trend line on a weekly basis, and it has been broken. Trend line that formed the channel, and it has been broken. Nice and easy, nice and simple. Everything clear, everything bare before your eyes. Okay, so I will deselect this so that it will not move when I go down the time frame. Disable selection, that has been done. Now I'll look for where there was a break of structure on this weekly time frame, and I'll mark it out. Okay, so I'm seeing something here. Here is where we have the break of structure on the weekly time frame clearly. You can see that. Now I'll also deselect that. Let me show you that. How it came about this. See it. You can see the M structure there. So we're expecting something like this to the downside. So there's going to be a lot of correction coming in the weeks to come. It's not a matter of whether you like it or not. Market has to correct to clear or to fill up gaps that has been created already before time. So we may have a very long sell coming in from NASDAQ, and we're looking at 10,663. May drop from that spot to 10,363. So I have to go back to somewhere around 2495. Give hopes to naive traders that don't have the knowledge of technical analysis or fundamentals. The eyes going to continue buying, and then all of a sudden you'll now see the crash. Boop. So this is this. Let me deselect this so that it will move up likewise. So this is that on NASDAQ. All I have to do now, since the bias of the market is bullish, and now the structure has been broken to the downside, All I have to do is to wait for the retracement to my entry level and find my entry criteria, take my trades, and boom, we are good. So as it is right now, price has not retraced to my level, and I'm also seeing another break of structure here. Still fine and good. On the daily time frame, I can select that here, structure that broke. So I can just select that, deselect it so that it will move. So go to my 4 hours, not to waste much of the time, and see. That's why the fact that I deselected it is still moving, but notwithstanding. So I'm expecting a movement down from where price is currently now. I'm expecting a bullish correction to these spots. Then we have something like this. These highs will be taken out or violated, and expecting a sell from here to this side. Please take notes, and then the downward momentum or bearish momentum continues in that same direction. All right, guys, so this is it basically for now. What you have to do is, if you are going to take trade pullbacks, then maybe you can look out for sells. Sorry, you can look out for a buy on NASDAQ, but it's very dangerous. When it moves, it will not let you know, and most of the times the market is choppy. It will not allow you make that decision or take the partaker of that retracement. It's not advisable most of the time. Just patiently wait, let the market come to you. Okay, that's where patience has its own advantage. If you insist on taking it, the market will always take money from the impatient and give it to the patient. When it settles, it will. So, like I said, I wouldn't advise that you take the pullback, but just in case you are insistent and you want to take it, just find out a way to do that, okay? But for now, I'm seeing NASDAQ is fully bearish, and we'll have a long way down for it to go. Anything that happens, any buys that takes place now is going to be on a corrective measure or a corrective movement. The major movement is going to be for the bearish side. Alright guys, I hope this video helps you. See you on the other side. See you trade safe, trade principally, trade simply to become very profitable. Cheers guys, cheers.